Oh, meron. We're at the Ryogoku Sumo Hall now. With Santino. Peace. What's up?
That question for me, alam natin going to this fight that Aoki will just do the same thing. Take you to the ground, try to look for submission, pero this time, sure.
Thanks, bro.
Sorry guys.
It's moving day. Left the hotel, now we're on our way to Airbnb. Officially day 6 here in Japan. We're gonna be exploring the last bits of Tokyo today. So we made it to our Airbnb and look what we found outside. Cherry blossoms in a park. Look at this baby, she's so happy. She's so happy, she's trying to reach for the flowers.
Wow.
Okay, we're gonna take some photos here. And we're taking a side tour. Gonna eat some food. Gonna eat some food. Are you ready to eat? Yes? Yay! Are you ready to eat? Hungry, Adrian. And then we have fried rice, chicken karaage, kimchi, fried rice, and nothing else. I'm waiting for the ramen. Mariel's eating what? What is this?
Wow.
The doors on the right side will open. Please change your for the Oedo subway line.
We made it to Odaiba. We made it to Odaiba.
It's just Daiba without the O. Daiba without the O. So we're gonna walk back.
Hi, Adriana. Konnichiwa. Where are we now? Odaiba. Okay, let's go. Hi, baby. How are you doing?
I'm good.
You're good? Are you having fun?
I have 5 layers of clothes and I'm still feeling cold.
Well, it's nighttime now. And here we are. Mr. Gundam. We made it. It's pretty cold. It's 8 degrees. I'm looking at Gundam's butt. Let's look at it from the front. And here we go. We are in front of the Gundam. It's pretty big. Right in front of Diver City, Tokyo. Here in Odaiba.
Odaiba, we have the Gundam unicorn right here, replica.
Hey there. Hey there, miss.
Hey there, fam.
Hey.
Sabi niya, "Ah."
You like the Gundam? Like the big robot? Adriana, I have a secret to tell you. The Gundam is fake. It's not real. Alright, apparently it moves. I was wrong. Could it be a real Gundam? Oh no, it's just fake. It's fake, guys. It's fake. It's fake, guys. It's fake. Confirmed. This is lighting up like a Christmas tree. There's background music. It's fake. Hey guys. Hey guys. It's so cold. It's like 6 degrees.
No, it feels like
It's like 4. It's so cold. I thought it was supposed to be spring. Fake news. It's fake news. It's not spring. It's winter. So we're headed to this outlet store. Venus Fort Mega Web. Yeah, Venus Fort.
It?
Yes. This is the outlet store.
Or is it the other building there?
But it looks like it's connected. Ah, yeah, it's connected. I remember. I remember this place. Who wants to take a picture under this rainbow bridge? Alright, never mind. We've entered vintage web. So it looks like there's like a lot of old stuff. Old cars. This
It's a one-door sports car.
guy says to buy your WD-40. Okay. And then we're transported to the outlet shops. Time to vlog. Who bought some new shoes?
I bought a couple of new shoes. You know,
Let me see.
I got a couple of them because I've been working really hard. And,
Who's the impulse buyer? And now we're heading to Tokyo Station.
to schedule the Shinkansen?
Yes. Yeah. Today's the only day we can do it. We can't do it tomorrow.
1949. 70 years.
It's a katsu sandwich. Yay! Yay! Go, give it a try. How is it?
Normal.
Normal. Strawberry sandwich.
So we decided to eat at this Japanese ramen stall here underneath the Tokyo MRT line. And it's a 2-star or a 2 Michelin star because it's already like 10 p.m. past 10 p.m. And we're just tired and hungry and we're looking forward to this one.
Some pork shoulder, green onion. Smile, you're on TV.
Somebody.
Who's gonna eat ramen again tonight? Can't wait for ramen to come. So the food has arrived. Here's the broth. It's very hot. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Oh man, that was risky. And we have the noodles here.
Gonna get
So
the
you're-
naruto.
You're mixing it.
We're gonna mix it around.
Okay, then just try it first. Go. We are going to Shinjuku Gyoen. Shinjuku Gyoen. Wow. Time to get some snacks first. Look at this. I got this sandwich that has leche flan and cream in the middle. What's this? It's like a Braça de Mercedes marshmallow
Oh, I want this.
on top. What's Adriana want? What do you want? Huh? So while eating here, inside the convenience store, check this out. Got Ippo Makonochi Knockout. Very popular anime when I was in high school, growing up. Pretty cool. Check it out. It's a leche flan bread.
Adriana also eating. What are you eating, love?
Alright, we didn't make it to Shinjuku Gyoen again because it's late, but instead, yeah, it was raining, and at least we made it to Ichigaya. And it's very nice here. Got the cherry blossoms here on the river. And at least it's not raining here. How's baby doing?
Where's your other hand?
Eating snacks?
I miss you, Adriana, whenever you're in the stroller.
Wow, who's in the swing?
Swing, 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 Adriana.
First time on a swing.
Hindi, nag-swing na sila ni Kuya Paolo kahapon.
Ah, talaga.
Adriana! Adriana!
How was the swing?
Gusto pa niya.
Oh, she wants to go back.
Ito, dali.
Yay! Look at the beautiful flowers.
Beautiful!
Ichigaya is the name. So when you guys have time to stop by here for cherry blossoms, go to Ichigaya station, and it's just right outside the train station. It's beautiful. Just like you. Just like you. Ah, so many. So many of them.
Yes? You wanna vlog? So what do you want to say? Come on! You were so noisy earlier. Tell us where we are. Okay, okay, you hold it. No, not too near. Hello! Hi, everybody! Hi!
Snack time. Please explain to us what this is.
I don't know, but it looks good. This must be cheesecake. Like custard with strawberry whipped cream and strawberry inside, and
Yummy?
like the cheesecake. Yeah, very good.
Train station is a quiet. It's a quiet place. What's going on here? There we go.
東急目黒線直通日吉行きが参ります。市ヶ谷よっ。
So we're headed over to Ikinari Steak to have some steak dinner tonight. Adriana's excited. Time to get some Wagyu beef. It's so cold. 6 degrees in this wind. It's no joke, man. We made it. Ikinari steak. And what are we gonna have? We're here at Ikinari Steak. Table number 33 with my dinner partners. Adriana,
Lie down.
my wife, and she has her own seat. Look, she's got her own seat here.
She has her own steak.
Here we go. Alright, thank you so much. Here we go, the steak. Don't touch the iron, little girl. It's very hot. I can see your hand. It's coming near. Don't touch it. It's very hot. It's sizzling. Alright, let's eat. Look who's eating. Steak. Okay, we're done with the steak dinner. I'm gonna go to the grocery, get some snacks, and then we're gonna go home, back to our Airbnb. How was the dinner? Good?
Good.
Yeah, but it's freezing right now because of the wind. The wind is very strong. It's very cold. Super cold.